Crown comes in, brings the experts. They can virtually look at our business and help us decide what we really need. My name is Randy Murrill. I'm the Vice President of Operations. Lipari is a wholesale distributor. We distribute frozen products, bakery products, grocery products. The value of having Crown as a supplier is great. Crown has made many decisions and suggestions on improving.
Whenever our business model changes, Crown is always involved somewhere along the line. With the amount of employees that we have, they tend to bump into the racks quite a bit. We replace probably a rack a week in damages from the employees. When meeting with Crown, they brought us to a whole new level. There's now engineered standards for all the rack, and we went with a much heavier duty structural rack. We've been in the facility here for a little over a year now. We haven't had to replace one upright yet.
Any other company will sell you a piece of equipment and move on. Crown comes in, brings the experts. They can virtually look at our business and help us decide what we really need.